Hi everyone. We are going to discuss how to solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. If you have an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, you can find the solutions to this equation by using the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, where b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. Okay, so there are three cases we should consider. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, this would mean that we have two real solutions. What does real means? That the number could be, the number is either going to be a proper it's going to be either a fraction, a number that you can represent as p over q, or it's going to be an irrational number. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. That means you have one real solution. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, root of a negative number the negative number doesn't exist, so no real solutions. So by looking at the quadratic equation, you can just by calculating the discriminant, you can very quickly tell what kind of solutions the equation has. For example, if I told you tell me the kinds of solutions that x squared minus x plus 1 equal to 0 has. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. And given that minus 3 is less than 0, you can conclude that there is no real solutions for that equation. Now let's solve a few more exercises so that you can get a hang of it, right? So how about if you have x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now, again, the formula being x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now, what is a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1. Remember, the form of the equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. And if you write that equation below this, x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0, then you can see where the coefficients are, right? A is 1, b is minus 1, and c is minus 1. Okay, so now let's find out what the discriminant looks like for this exercise. B square minus 4ac is equal to minus 1 square minus 4. A is 1, c is minus 1. So this turns into 1 plus 4 equal to 5. This 5 is greater than 0. What does that mean? If because it's greater than 0, you can say we have two real solutions, right? So now let's find those solutions. What do we do? So then x is equal to minus b, which is minus minus 1 plus minus root of minus 1 square minus 4ac over 2a, which is 2 times 1. Then x is equal to 1 plus minus root of 5 over 2. So if you if you want to write the two values of x, that will look like x1 is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, and x2 is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. Those are the two solutions. Let's do one more exercise. How about if we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. This equation, you can actually factor it, right? So this is basically x plus 1 whole square. And from there, you know that the only value of x possible for this is x is equal to minus 1. Now let's apply the quadratic formula to that equation. So this one will be, let's make sure that this is equal to 0. That's why we are able to find solutions to this, right? Equal to 0. That means this is equal to 0. Now, how about if we use the quadratic formula? So x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So based on this equation, what are the coefficients? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C equal to 1. What is the discriminant? Discriminant is B square minus 4AC. What is B square? Is 2 square minus 4 times AC. This is 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So B square minus 4AC equal to 0. This means one real solution, which we already knew, right? Because that's how we figure out here that x is equal to minus 1. Now let's find that x equal to minus 1 applying the quadratic formula. So then x is equal to minus b, which is minus 2, plus minus root of minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 divided by 2. This is 2 plus minus root of 0 over 2. X is equal to minus 2 over 2. X is equal to minus 1, which is the same answer we had up there, but we could easily find it by factoring. Here we apply the quadratic formula. So basically, you can apply the quadratic formula to any quadratic equation. While factoring, you can only do if you're able to find the right numbers to manipulate the factors quickly. Finding irrational factors is not an easy task. That's why you want to use the quadratic formula. Hopefully, this should help you with the homework exercises.